OSPF version 3 configuration for IPv6. So basically in this topology, we have these two machines and we have configured the IPv6 on them. So we have IPv4 and IPv6 together. So that's the beauty of IPv4 and IPv6. They can live together without any problem. So we have configured the IP address in this range, 200.1.1. Then there is a link local IP. Then there is a default gateway pointing to this router. Then on this one, we also done the same thing. These are the interfaces connected to each other on this side and this side, on this side as well. So we have actually advertised we are going to enable the IPv6. So first of all, as like most of the time, show IPv6 interface brief, just to see which interfaces are taking part, F00 and F01, they are taking part in the IPv6. Show IPv6 protocol. So we have enabled OSPF, on this as well. We have connected for the static and OSPF as well. IPv6 route. So you can see, if we learn the route from this side probably. Okay. So you can see we have two neighbors are already configured. So basically what we do is, first of all, we need to enable the IPv6 unicast routing always. Second thing is we need to enable this IPv6 router OSPF1. Once you enable this IPv6 router OSPF1, you need to go into each interface and say IPv6 enable and IPv6 IP addresses and then IPv6 OSPF area 1, which is configured here. Okay, so basically, unlike OSPF version, previous version, IPv4 version, we need to enable on the global command like the network command. It is not the case in IPv6. In IPv6, we need to enable the OSPF, can give the IPv6 IP addresses. So you can see on the same interface, we have IPv4 and IPv6 addresses at the same time. Then whatever the OSPF router configure here, you need to go into the interface and say IPv6 areas 1, area 0, and area 1. So that can be, you can see area 0 and that is area 1. Okay. And similarly on all these routers, we do the same thing. So IPv6 router OSPF global command, then each interface you see IPv6 enable, IPv6 1, refer to this, and then say area 0 or area 1, whatever it is. Show IPv6 neighbor, show IPv6 route OSPF, show IPv6 OSPF neighbor. These are the two neighbors we have, this router and this router. Similarly, on this router, we can also see the configuration. So this is what we can see, two routes are in the OSPF domain. Let me ping this OSPF. Look at this. So you see, I'm pinging to IPv6 addresses here on this interface. Let me take this interface, for example, as well. These labs are already configured for you. So you can see I can have the reachability. So that's the configuration, guys. The labs are there, so you can just need to configure it.